We have worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We just received some great feedback from a customer, and we wanted to share it with the world. And as much as we think we're doing a good job, customers like this telling us about their experience makes us push harder to do better. We really appreciate and enjoy what our happy customers say about us. The most important thing for us is that they take the time to tell us what a great job we're doing. Let us help you with our excellent customer service backed by our years of experience. We'd love to make you one of our happy customers too. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.